So this is the
You
back.
want an X?
Oh, no, it's okay. So this is our old library couch. Oh, thanks. All right. And our skilled caretaker, Mr. Dumont, is going to show us what's inside. Go ahead. So this is the bottom. Okay. What is this? What am I looking at? Whoa. What are these? I'm serious. Like, what are these? Okay, so I guess, like, this is wood.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that's wood. That's like, what is that, a screw? Nail?
I guess
Staples?
Staples? Okay.
Yeah. That's felt, I
Felt?
guess. Some kind of felt padding.
What's this thing?
Metal spring.
Uh-huh. And I don't even know what that is. Like, it looks like twine.
Covered. I think it's just a covered wire.
Yeah?
So that
Okay.
It's more for support.
Oh,
To kind of even out this pressure. And
Oh,
these
yeah?
ones are called silica gel.
Oh.
Basically-
okay, I've always wondered about that, because, like,
This is gonna absorb the moisture.
oh,
So, oops, there it is. So,
okay. So they leave it in the couch.
Yeah, so you can see there's a bunch of them.
Oh, yeah.
Probably
Okay.
filled.
All right, what's this thing up here? Like, there's, like, straps or something.
I think that's
What's that?
for like the back padding.
Uh-huh.
So you have more of a, it's same thing, it'll act like a spring. So
Oh.
when you put your back,
Uh-huh.
right, you'll
Yeah.
have that even cushion, I guess.
All right, and you got some more staples in here. There's some more. Wow, these staples are massive. Oh yeah, like what's? All right. Yeah. Because inquiring minds want to know.
Oh, this is just,
What is it?
this is the foam now.
Oh.
The cushion.
Okay, so this
Yeah.
is like a felty thing, and then that's the cushion.
And that's probably a foam inside,
Let's
I
see.
assume. Yeah,
Oh
there it is.
yeah, look at that.
So,
Nice.
yeah,
Okay, so it's like foam,
and the foam.
and then fabric, and then
And then this,
felt,
yeah.
and then there's these springy things, and then like this is the leather
Frame. Yeah,
frame.
the
Oh
frame.
yeah, the frame. Yeah,
And
let me
then
go look like that.
Wrapped with the leather.
So this is still wood here too, eh? Okay.
It's pretty simple once you.
But will it be simple to make
Yes. Well,
For the skilled person.
yes.
for the skilled person?
Skilled.
I mean,
Professional.
Yeah, we need some professionals. All right. Thank you so much to our caretaking staff for showing us this behind the scenes video of what is actually in a sofa, Chesterfield, couch, whatever you want to call it. Thank you, everybody. Video over and out.